Consider a scenario where you are managing an Azure DevOps project. You have an Azure Virtual Machine Scale Set called VMSS1, which hosts a stateful web application known as WebApp1. This application is deployed using the custom script extension with its source files located in an Azure Storage account named SA1. You need to deploy a UI update to WebApp1 specifically for limited user testing. Which 3 actions should you take to achieve this?
The options are: Option A, adjust the load balancer configuration associated with VMSS1. Option B, trigger a full redeployment of the VMSS1 infrastructure. Option C, place the updated script file into the designated Azure Storage account. Option D, adjust the parameters of the custom script extension applied to VMSS1. Option E, manually apply configuration updates to individual virtual machine instances.
This question explores how to manage updates within a scalable infrastructure environment. Specifically, it focuses on the workflow required to update code on virtual machine scale sets without replacing the underlying infrastructure, and how to manage traffic routing when implementing incremental updates. In my view, the correct actions are options A, C, and D. To implement a canary or limited user test on a scale set, you first need to provide the new code. This is done by placing the updated script into the Azure Storage account. Next, you modify the custom script extension settings on the scale set to point to this new file. Finally, you adjust the load balancer configuration to effectively route traffic to the intended instances for your testing. As for why the other options are incorrect, triggering a full redeployment of the infrastructure is unnecessary and can be disruptive to your services. Also, you should avoid manually updating individual virtual machine instances. Managing scale sets requires consistency, so updates should always be performed through the scale set model or its extensions, rather than directly on the virtual machines. This ensures your deployment remains manageable and scalable.